Hey folks, I'm Mobile Geezer, and if this is your first time checking out my channel, please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon so you'll be notified of any new videos, and welcome. Hey folks, Mobile Geezer here with a quick unboxing of the Nokia 9 Pureview. So first let's take a look at the box. Typical Nokia presentation. Has a 6-inch OLED screen, 2K resolution, 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage with a Qualcomm 845 Snapdragon processor. So let's take the unboxing knife and get it opened up. There's the phone. Get it out of the box. There's the 5 cameras, 3 black and white, 2 RGB with the time of flight sensor, and of course the LED flash. So taking a look around, on the right we've got our power button, our volume up and down. On the left side, nothing. Up top, our SIM tray and our microphone. And on the bottom, another microphone, our USB Type-C in, which of course is where we get our headphone from. And of course those 5 cameras, which all work together to give us one great photo shot. We'll see how that goes. And there's our SIM ejector tool. And what else comes in this box? Just the usual paperwork, which nobody really reads. And in the rest of the box, we have our adapter for our headphones, a USB Type-C plug, some included headphones, which is good, and our charging brick. So to give you a little size comparison, there it is next to my iPhone XR. There it is next to my Moto G7 Plus. And the little guy, the Galaxy S10e. So let's turn it on, see if we've got some power. And of course it's an Android One phone. We'll let it get booted up. And once I get everything signed in, I'll get back to you. Right off the bat, I got an update, so that's good. So now we're all booted up, and you can see up top, all my apps are still downloading. I put the rootless Pixel launcher on as my default launcher. And of course, there's all those beautiful cameras, which we hope are going to give us DLSR-like photography. Basically, we'll see if it matches up to the Pixel. Forgot to mention it does have NFC, so you will be able to use Google Pay. So that's my quick unboxing of the Nokia 9 Pureview. Of course, we'll be doing a lot of testing and certainly comparing it with many other phone cameras. So please come along on this journey with me as we discover the cameras in this device. And as always, comments are welcome, and thanks for watching.
Yeah.